Hey, what's up everyone, SHP here. So the launch date of Nothing Phone 1 is almost around the corner and things are becoming more interesting as we are approaching the launch date. It is official that it is going to have a 120Hz variable refresh rate Oled panel with 1 billion colors. The display will have no chin and looks really great, but sadly there is no LTPO panel, which means it cannot dynamically refresh itself between 1Hz and 120Hz. Don't get me wrong here, it's an excellent panel that Nothing is using. Now talking about the fingerprint sensor, it is gonna be an in-display one as shown in this video via Nothing's TikTok. The best feature which I'm really excited about is the Nothing OS. Nothing is saying it's all about smoother experience. Nothing OS looks totally stock, which makes the experience even better. Not to forget, Nothing widgets and fonts and a lot of customizations options. Nothing has also promised seamless integration with third-party devices. Now if we talk about glass protection, it is going to be the Gorilla Glass as you can see in this leaks via an Amazon list. If we believe the listing, the camera is going to be a 50 megapixel f1.8 main shooter and a 50 megapixel wide angle shooter. The main camera is going to have OIS. Talking about the heart of this phone, the Snapdragon 778G is going to be a really good processor with Nothing OS and its optimization. It is not a gaming processor like 770 or 888, but it can handle casual gaming easily and it is a really well optimized processor for daily uses. It is going to be a really great processor for this phone. The pricing according to the leaks starts at €470 for the base model 8128GB. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about this phone in the comment section and I will see you in the next one.